Hello, Michelle Lash from Dentsply Sirona, and I'm here with you today to provide an overview of the reprocessing steps of our Cavitron ultrasonic inserts. You may know that utilizing automated equipment such as an ultrasonic bath will increase the efficiency of the cleaning process for your Cavitron ultrasonic inserts and reduce your risk of handling contaminated instruments. Before getting started, it's important to not only follow the Cavitron inserts instructions for use, or IFU, but also the manufacturer's instructions for use for the ultrasonic bath and the instrument cleaning solution being used. Set up the ultrasonic bath by preparing a pH-neutral enzymatic instrument cleaning solution following the manufacturer's concentration rates. Dentsply Sirona recommends using Resurge instrument cleaning solution because it is pH-neutral and has been tested with Cavitron inserts. When placing Cavitron inserts into an ultrasonic bath, best practice would be to use an instrument cassette. This will reduce the risk of potential damage to your Cavitron inserts. If using cassettes, place them directly into the bath. If cassettes are not used, place the Cavitron inserts in the basket separate from all other instruments to protect them from damage. Ensure the Cavitron inserts stay completely immersed in the pH-neutral cleaning solution. Cavitron ultrasonic inserts may be cleaned in the ultrasonic bath for up to 15 minutes. Always adhere to the minimum contact time of the pH-neutral enzymatic cleaning solution being used. If using Resurge instrument cleaning solution, the minimum contact time is 2 minutes. Removing all cleaning solution from the Cavitron inserts prior to drying is an important step. To accomplish this, simply rinse the inserts under potable running water for at least 30 seconds. This is a great time to inspect your inserts for any remaining visible debris, wear, or damage. If debris is still visible, repeat the cleaning procedure that is noted in the Cavitron insert IFU. Once the inserts are cleaned, they must be thoroughly dried prior to packaging. If Cavitron inserts are packaged and placed in a sterilizer before they are completely dry, staining, corrosion, or even clogging of the insert may occur. Now that the inserts are thoroughly dry, place the inserts into an appropriately sized paper to plastic sterilization pouch or utilize a sterilization wrap for the cassettes. Your Cavitron inserts are now ready for sterilization. Make sure to read and follow Dentsply Sirona's instructions for use, or IFU, for the appropriate sterilizers that can be used with your inserts. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use for the sterilizer being used. And make sure to note which way the sterilization pouches should be placed, paper side up or paper side down. Allow the dry cycle to finish before removing the Cavitron inserts from the sterilizer. If the insert packaging is still wet when removing them from the sterilizer, allow it to dry completely before storing. Cavitron inserts should remain bagged or wrapped until ready for use and stored in a dry closet or covered cabinet. If a sterile package becomes compromised, repeat the process to clean, dry, package, and sterilize the inserts again. Thanks for hanging out in the sterilization room with me today. For more information on Cavitron ultrasonic inserts, contact your local Dentsply Sirona sales representative.